Hey guys, let's upcycle a fleece top into... Measure the length and width of the toe area. Prepare the stencils of the shoe top on a piece of paper and keep it aside. Mark the length on the removed piece of sleeves. Now just do as shown. Draw half-inch margins. Now cut them into strips. Divide the strips into two, and from the midpoint, place half of the strips in slanting direction as done. Pull up the alternate strips placed. Now, place one of the strips from the other half left above in the opposite direction. And carefully watch the easiest technique of mat making. Fix the mat with the base using glue. Now keep the stencils prepared earlier on the mat and cut it off. Stitch the top fold and keep it aside. Cut two rectangular pieces from the leftover cardigan. Iron and fix the self-adhesive canvas to make the base more firm. We get ready-made sole in the market. Apply glue on it and stick it on the canvassed fabric. Mark 1-inch border and cut it off. Apply glue and fix the edges inward. Now apply glue on 1-inch edge of the toe top and its inside and fix it as shown. Take another sole, glue it and paste that under the slippers. Finally, to strengthen the joint, stitch the entire edge as done. Our home slippers are ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Zeb shall soon be back with another creative idea. Till then, keep crafting. Bye-bye.